Hello everyone, my name is Indrit Singho and my co-partner name is Arnav Singho. We are React developer under the guidance of Devashish Roy sir. So let's introduce our project. It's a full stack web application. We have used the technology like HTML, CSS, React, Tailwind, Redux toolkit, and for backend we have used Firebase. It is basically a one-stop solution for getting information about the cars. Basically it's a blog type applications. So there you will get you will find the specific brands, specific categories, specific uh, for you can say comparison of cars. So it's our website has it all. So we have so many features in our web application. Let's see one by one. Yeah, so basically our website name is Car Valley. So it is basically a information you all are getting information about the car. So yeah, this is the home page where you can uh, see the categories of cars and latest cars and popular brands, right? For here you can easily search by the name, where you can say for I have searched this thing, and so you will get the information about the uh, for your search item also. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, so little bit slow, my internet is little bit slow. So yeah, so this is the thing for Mahindra Thar. You can this three is listed over there, right? So basically that is our home page, and yeah, so that is our home page. And uh, for next is our car page. Car page is basically for getting the all the cars, right? And getting all the cars, and you can say the here it is pagination also there. So it is also a features. You can search it by vehicle type, you can search it by brand also, right? Category also, brand also. And the third is the category side. The category is basically you're getting the category that we have it all, like the sports category, sedan, you can say hatchback. So everything is there, and you can, if you click that, so it will go for the for that specific category also, search by. Okay, so if you click that, and you'll get this thing. Okay, so it is basically here. So it is searched by the SUV, right? So after that you have to log in there for making comment. So for doing comment you have to log in. So we'll go to the get details page also. And first foremost, if you go any cars, right? If you click any cars, so you'll get the the details page about this car. So here it is. My internet is little bit slow, so that's why it is loading a little bit slow, but yeah. So here you can see the specific cars, and specific design, right? So all the information about the car, the engines, the engine type, the power, the seat, how many seats are there, everything is here is listed. And yeah, so that is and related car to SUV. So it's basically a related product. So uh, for this kind of for this car, this is SUV, and so related product is also SUV cars. For doing the comment, where you can, if you do comment, if you want to do comment something, so you need to first log in first, and then you can comment it, right? After login you can comment it, right? For this thing is also there, right? Okay, so here you can see the comment is already listed. And yeah, for this thing you can delete your comment only, not others comment. So yeah, this thing this is secure for that. So when you want to comment doing any comment, so you need to log in first, then you can uh, do comment. And uh, for using Firebase, we have also integrate this Google sign in also, right? So after that, you will get a comparison page. Comparison page is basically compare of two cars manually. Custom you can compare, and custom you also compare. For you have to give two names if you are making decision about for two cars. So if you go first one just for Mahindra and the sixth one is Mercedes Benz. So if you are searching for this thing, you'll go and appear this thing on. So you'll get everything about these two cars. And yeah, so it is also the same type. And yeah, first and foremost, the extra features you can see the EMI calculator, you can tax calculator. So you what according to your like pocket you have to you can calculate your, if you are going to pay in EMI also for installment. So you can calculate this thing here also, right? So for this thing you can see the monthly paper, all the things are listed here. So yeah, this thing, okay. And let's go to the back end, like the admin panel. Okay, so let's go to the admin panel. Let's log out here and we will go to the admin panel. So here it is admin panel. So if I log in, then the password, we have to keep the password. If you give wrong password, then it will not enter. Okay, so simply sign in. Okay, so yeah, so that is the sign in. I am signed in with my account, with my admin account. So yeah, so here you can see the dashboard. So dashboard is basically telling all the things in the numbers, like how many admins are there, how many total cars, how many cars is added, how many brands are there, how many categories are there, right? And this about how many numbers of cars in what brands is listed in, like what cars is listed in how many cars is listed in BMWs. You can say the specific brands, and it is a total summary, right? For a next page, it is adding a car. So here you can see you can add the cars. You can add the car, add all information about the car. And if you have to select 3 images, so which are actually necessary, because when we need to when we make a decision about cars, so we need to see the pictures also, right? So for that we need to give 3 images. And yeah, so and the next one is show cars. Show cars is basically the you can say the panels where all the things is, you can say edit, you can say delete also, right? For editing, if you edit this thing, so it will be edited, right? So you can edit all the things, you can edit all the information. If you have done any mistake for time of filling a form, so it is basically you can edit that also. For same things as a brand, if you want to add new brand, you can you can submit the one picture and the brand name, you will get that. After that, as for same thing as a category also, you will get all the things, all the category. We have to select one logo and then the category name. Okay, so it is basically the same thing. And the last one is add admin. Admin can add another admin also. So basically, yeah, so you can say admin, another admin also. So if you are entering a name and email ID and password, you will get immediately log out, and the admin is also created. Yeah. So this thing is basically this all the thing is basically mobile responsive also, as well as you can see that it is also mobile responsive. Get everything as a mobile responsive, the forms and all the thing, uh, full-fledged full mobile application support. And yeah, so here it is, right. And for basically if you log out, then see the font pages. Okay, you will get this thing also. All the things are mobile responsive. So this this is basically mobile supported, and we have used a tailwind css for making these things. So it is all the things are fully mobile responsive. And basically, yeah, so this is our website, this is our project. Thank you. And the last one is basically we have hosted in Netlify also, so you can check it as a carvalley.netlify.app. You can check the app and your laptop, desktop, everywhere, mobile, so you can access it from this URL. I'll give in a description also. Thank you.